The first time I heard someone say that your relationship with money is a direct reflection on the way that you treat your romantic partners, I was a little confused on what that meant. That is, until I started thinking about it like this. It's more and more emerging neuroscience showing that love and money are analogous in the brain, meaning that the way that you treat one is a direct reflection of how you treat the other. We also see this echoed in astrology with the fact that Venus rules over both love and money. So you want to start thinking about your relationship with money like you would a romantic relationship. For example, if you are someone who overspends and cannot save money to save your life, it's basically the equivalent of having a partner who you look at them and say, you know what, babe, I don't care if you go out with other people, see whoever you want, date whoever you want, I'm always going to be here. But if you're spending your money frivolously with zero discipline, it's like having a lack of boundaries or discipline in your relationships. If you're on the other side of the spectrum and you save, and hoard your money, never spending it on anything that brings you joy, essentially the equivalent of telling your partner that they need to stay home, ditch all their friends, and only talk to you. You can't expect to have a healthy relationship with unhealthy dating habits. You can't expect to have a healthy relationship with money while carrying in these unhealthy relationship habits. Your money is something that works with you to create the life that you want, not something that just simply works for you. So if you want to have a better relationship with it, then you have to start treating it like you're in a relationship with it. Appreciate it, value it, have enough discernment to be able to save it and enjoy it for yourself without spreading it around to everyone else. Also enough trust to let it go, be free, and have fun while trusting that it's going to come back to you. Relationships suck, your money's gonna suck. So fix one, and I guarantee you will fix the other. It's Neuroscience 101.